Alright, we're in Tokyo. I got to the elevator and then I realized I didn't transfer the files from my GoPro to my laptop, so I had no memory on the SD card, so I had to go back to my room. And then now I'm on my way back to the elevator and we're running kind of late because I was supposed to be down by 8 o'clock. And it is currently 8:10. Shoot. Move faster, elevator. We've arrived at the fishing spot? What do you call it? We've arrived. We're all dressed and ready. There's this hey, look at this cutie. Oh. Hi. Hi. It's a lot colder than I thought it would be. But yeah, I'm gonna switch to the waterproof case just in case. I can't put a mic on it, so yeah. Go! 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 Hey birdie, birdie. What? I caught two. Caught another one. Really small though. This. So the fish we caught is gonna take about an hour to cook, so we came here to rest. So we just finished eating the fish that we caught, and now we're gonna head back to the hotel. It's like an hour car ride back, I think. So yeah, I'm really tired. Fishing is a lot more tiring than I thought. Yeah, I'm gonna take a nap in the car. So see you back at the hotel. So I just got back from fishing, and I'm kind of debating what to do with the rest of my day off. Because I smell like fish, so I want to shower. But I also want to work out, so if I shower and then I work out, I'm going to sweat, so then I'm going to have to shower again. But then again, I'm really tired, so I might just wash up and then maybe just edit a few vlogs. And then add some subtitles. Or maybe just do like a really short, like a light workout, and then shower. And then edit some vlogs, add some subtitles. I don't know. Give me a minute to think about it. Yeah, I'm too tired. I'm just gonna wash up and I'm gonna edit some videos and add subtitles to videos. So, time to wash up. Alright, so I just finished washing up, so I have my retainers on. I know I already have a small lisp, but because of my retainers, it's probably gonna be a lot bigger. Anyways, I am going to upload my Kung Fu Panda 3 movie review right now. I have to just check one thing before I upload it. I have to check if my subtitles got revised, because as you guys probably already know, my Korean isn't perfect. It's actually very not perfect. It's very flawed. So then I write all the subtitles and then I just turn them in for revision. So I just have to check if they got revised. And if they did, I can upload it right away. And it is published. That means that it is up. Alright, so change that to public. Add a message to your video. Well, Kung Fu Panda 3 movie review is up. Check it out, please. 쿵푸 팬다 영화 리뷰 올렸습니다. 한번만 봐주세요. 한국 자막도 올렸습니다. Alright, there's a lot of comments saying that I don't have Korean subtitles up yet. They are up. You just need to click the CC button in the lower right hand corner. Hold on, let me upload this first and then I'll show you. Let me show you how to do subtitles. Alright, so you see this right here. Click CC. You see that? CC. Click that. This will turn subtitles on and off. That's how you get Korean subtitles. Kung Fu Panda 3 movie review is up. Gonna add subtitles to the Whisper challenge. Gonna finish editing the Chubby Bunny challenge. And then I'm gonna edit some of this vlog that I'm recording right now. And then I'll probably just... there's nothing to do in this hotel room. I'll probably just chill. Maybe watch a movie. Maybe I'll turn on a movie and then I'll just fall asleep while watching the movie. Because we have to wake up at... I believe we have to get to the lobby by 7:40. If I'm not mistaken. Hold on, let me check that. Yeah, we gotta get to the lobby by 7:40, so I don't want to sleep too late. I don't know. Peace.